before India had a voice, it had a song. 1911, India. Under British rule, a land of millions, searching for its voice. In the heart of Bengal, in a time of unrest and awakening, a quiet moment was unfolding. Rabindranath Tagore, a Bengali poet, sat alone, no crowd, no stage, no applause, just a pen and a blank page. He began to write. Around him, a land of many voices, different languages, different cultures, yet one shared hope. He wasn't writing for one region, he was writing for all, a song that spoke of unity, beyond divisions, beyond fear. In 1911, the song was first sung, before a small gathering. Over time, the song travelled, carried by voices across the land. Years passed, but the song endured. Today, those same words are sung by millions. What began in a quiet moment became the voice of a nation. Decades later, those words would be chosen as India's national anthem. But this was only one chapter. But he was never just a writer. He was a thinker, a dreamer, a voice that saw beyond division. Through words, he brought people closer before they even knew they were one. And in that moment, he didn't just write a song, he helped a nation find its voice.